set, go. I'm gonna beat you. Hey guys, thanks for coming over. Come on in. Mommy beats me at racing. I beat him at racing. Mommy, can I get this toy? No, we can't spend any more money on toys today, buddy. My mommy says we don't have any money for toys today. Buddy, back up so I don't hit you with the ball. Oh, look, the neighbors are outside. Hey, Mommy hit me. I don't really want any of the food we have at home. Let's go out to eat. Hi, we don't have any food at home. I think we actually forgot to brush your teeth last night. Whoops. Mommy, mailman brought a package to the door. Can we get it? Yeah, sure. Thank you. Mommy forgets to brush my teeth. One time. It was one time. Thanks. Now I can't even defend myself.